Hello, this is Kaelyn. Welcome to another video in the Orion TI-84 Talking Graphing Calculator series. Today I'm going to be talking about how to charge your calculator. So, when you order a calculator, you are provided with a lovely cable, and this is plugged into the outlet on top of the Orion module and then into the wall, and you charge your calculator, hopefully every night. If not, it can last up to a few days. But let's say you are in your math test or doing math homework and you try to turn on your calculator with a glorious press of the on button, but it doesn't turn on, it doesn't start talking, and you're like, oh my god, what do? I charged it. Here is what is happening. Today I'm going to walk you through both how to charge your calculator and how to fix some of the weird errors that it does not verbally tell you about. So, if your calculator is not talking when you turn it on, one thing that you can try is you can hold down your on button and then release it, and when you release it, a menu will often pop up which will show exactly what is visible on the screen. It will say you are low battery, you need to fix your batteries, and this is something that a fully sighted person could read for you, but will not be verbalized for a blind person, unfortunately. If you're alone, you can just try a few basic hacks I'm about to go over with you. So, this glorious charger, is used to charge the Orion module, but it does not charge the rest of this calculator. The rest of this calculator, like any calculator of this model, the TI-84 modules, they are charged with batteries. So today I'm going to go over how to replace the batteries, which will usually get it to talking again. So I am going to first take your case off, flip over your calculator, and then you're going to have your big Orion module at the top, but at the bottom you have your battery compartment. There is a little lever kind of in the middle of your calculator. You're going to push that and then release, and then it pops up. You remove this panel, and then you have a set of 4 AA batteries. The first one has its little pointy extended bit facing down, so you're going to press it upward toward the top of your calculator with your thumbnail, and that is pushing the spring in. It's kind of springy, and then that can pop out. Actually, correction, these are AAA batteries. I forgot. So you have to remove your discarded batteries, and you need new batteries. I have a large jar of batteries here for this occasion. I'm going to grab 4 right now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. So I'm going to immediately put this one back in, just so you don't get confused. You put the spring end in first, you push it in facing upwards, and then you lock the little nub at the end of your batteries. Oops, that is not a AAA battery. And then you lock that little nub into the depression. The next one is facing the opposite direction, so you push down, and then you lift up, and that removes this battery. Put your old battery off to the side, and then you put in your new one. And this one is pushed in, down, and then locked in, up. It's again the opposite. The batteries are alternating which direction the head is facing. So then you're going to push up into the spring, release again, and replace with your new battery. And then you have your last one, which is facing the opposite direction again. You're going to push down into your spring and then lock in. And you can always have a fully sighted person check to make sure that the little pieces of the batteries, which are often denoted with color, are facing in different directions. Then you are going to replace your lovely battery cover and lock it in with the little thing. Make sure it doesn't move around. And then you're going to flip it over. I'm leaving my case here because my case is holding these discarded batteries. Do not put these in a pocket. Throw these out immediately in a safe way that batteries can be disposed of, because you don't want to get confused later, and put these back into your calculator. Now, your calculator should turn on. And it talks! Woo! So, great job, everyone. I'm going to tell a quick anecdote about what happened to me. So the first time when I was in this calculator, when I had this calculator in my math class, I had a test and it was suddenly not talking and I was freaking out. I ended up having to beg a lot of teachers for batteries. So a good hack when using this calculator is to always pack some batteries in your backpack. It does use AAA batteries. I will hold an example up to the screen in 1 sec. So make sure that you always have some of these batteries in your backpack or purse. So when this happens, because this happens often and there's no real way of knowing ahead of time that you have this. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.